So hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry, where chemistry is easy. So I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Chemistry lecture number 2. In this particular scenario, we'll be discussing the second question of the 1000 question series that we have started, right? Okay, so great. Before starting of the second number of questions, I would be like to do the answer of the homework. I hope all of you have done the homework. If you haven't done, then obviously you are not doing the good thing. You must do the homework, whatever the homework that I'll be giving, okay? Because then only you'll be in the you'll be feeling great, right? If you do the homework and if you see these classes again, okay? So I hope all of you, whoever will be liking this video, they must like because liking will be giving you the motivations, okay? Now let's do the homework. Calculate the ground state energies of the electron in the electron volt in case of beryllium 3 positive. So since you know that for the beryllium 3 positive, can you please tell me the Z value? So Z is the atomic number value would be the 4. But since the ground state has been given, see the questions carefully, okay? So all of you know for the ground state क्या होता है? So for the ground state, what is the value of the n? Ground state में value n का value होता है 0 because this particular scenario is like the hydrogen atom. This will behave as a hydrogen-like system since it will be containing only the one electron that will be remaining present. Okay, great. So now we'll be doing the energy value for the beryllium 3 positive. So we are writing into the superscript. So this value would be minus 13.6 Z square by N square. Now you know the value of the Z for beryllium 3 positive. At the same time you know the N also. So finally you'll be getting minus 13.6. See, unit is the most important point. What is the value of the Z? Z ka value है 4. So this will be basically into 4 square divided by 1 square. So this value would be coming minus 13.6 into 16. So finally, you'll be getting down the values of minus 217.60. What will be the unit? The unit will be remaining present into the 11 electron volt. So the students who has given the answer D, they are correct. Okay. So please tell me, let me know into the comment whether you have given the answer correctly or not. Okay. So I'll be seeing all of your comments. Very good. Now let's do the today's questions. So all of you just stop the video and try yourself to solve the questions, then comment down. After that, just see the video, okay? Then only your brain will be working, right? It is not like that I'll be explaining each and everything, then you'll be understanding, right? तो तुम्हें थोड़ा सा करके देखना चाहिए, and finally I'll be doing that, right? I'll be giving you the solution, then don't worry about these things. देखो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है द ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन in hydrogen atom is the dash to the first excited state energy of the helium ions, right? तो चलो हम लोग ना लिख लेते हैं ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम. तो फॉर द ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम क्या होता है? ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम के लिए क्या क्या होगा वैल्यू? द वैल्यू फॉर द जेट, वैल्यू फॉर द हाइड्रोजन वुड बी 1. At the same time, since the ground state is being asked, so the value of n also will be 1. So just write down energy value for the helium, sorry, for the hydrogens. That would be minus 13.6 electron volt. Now let's come to the next one. Next one में पूछा है first excited state in the energy helium positive. So just write down first excited state energy of helium positive ions. What is the value of Z? Helium के लिए Z का value, atomic number value is the 2. N is equals to कितना होता है? I have already told you, my dear friend. Just see first excited state for the hydrogen atom. So that will be obviously N value would be the 2. So for this particular scenario, whenever you'll be putting down the values of E of H positive, then you'll be applying the formulas the minus 13.6 Z square by N square. Now put down the value of Z and N. Z और N का value put करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा finally? Minus 13.6 into Z square, that will be 2 square divided by 2 square. So 2 square and 2 square, that will be 4 and 4. So this gets cancelled out with each other. So here is also 8 is becoming 13.6 electron volt. So my dear aspirants, please tell me everyone, what is the value of this will be? If you compare this value and this value, you are understanding that both of the values are same, right? So what is the correct answer for this question would be? The correct answer for this particular question should be equal. So just write down answer would be equal. Now if you being said the second excited state, तो n का वैल्यू तुम क्या लोगे? What is the value of n will be taking? So if you talk about the second excited set, first excited set के लिए n का value 2 आया, second excited के लिए n is equals to, you will be taking the 3, right? Are you getting this point? Is there any doubt regarding this? Please tell me, everyone. Please let me know into the comment sections. I'll be giving the reply to all of yours. Thank you so much, everyone, for attending the sessions, and do not forget to make a new copy. So I'm requesting you to all of you, make a copy in which we'll be doing all of these questions, because this will be having you the confidence. You'll be getting the confidence if you make a copy and if you try to feel it, right? Because we'll be solving a lot of questions. So don't forget to like if you like this video. Thank you, everyone.